Hey everybody, J. Jackson here today and welcome to my channel. So today's video is a power hour and I have some fabulous ladies that are going to be joining me today. So be sure to check out their videos after my videos. There will be a playlist that will be listed in the description box below. This is a monthly collaboration on the 15th of each month. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So I started in my bathroom. Between the two bathrooms, this is my most used bathroom. Let me tell you, this bathroom may not look like on camera that it is messy, but especially around that toilet area, oh my goodness. And as you can see, this tub, it's not filthy, but it's dirty enough where it needs to be cleaned. About 4 o'clock, looks like. So to clean my main bathroom today, I use glass and surface cleaner from the Dollar Tree, Barkeeper's Friend, the soft cleanser kind, and some disinfecting wipe.
Isn't always the best. Sometimes your turns makes me dizzy, but with you I don't need the contest. For
those that are new to my channel, I'm a stay-at-home wife and mom who enjoys doing decluttering, cleaning, and organizational videos. If that's the type of content that you like, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Okay, ladies and gents, the toilet is not my favorite thing to be cleaning in the bathroom, but somebody's got to do it, you know? Leave a sad face down below if you dislike cleaning the toilet too. So I'm using this wand that I purchased from Amazon to clean the toilet bowl here, and I'm still pretty much getting used to it. I've only had it for maybe a couple of weeks or so.
Within, here we go, but somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow, a drop in the ocean so endless, reaching for our moments miles above? I just need one.
So in my half bath, what I ended up using is disinfectant wipes, the glass and surface cleaner from Dollar Tree again, and then I forgot that I didn't have any toilet bowl cleanser, so I ended up using the Method Anti-Bac. It's the Method Anti-Bac all-purpose cleanser for the inside of the bowl. And then I just used a scrubber to scrub around the inside of the bowl. Because, you know, my main bath is all the way upstairs and I just don't have time during this power hour to be going to get the other cleanser to clean out the toilet bowl. So, you know, nobody got time for that. So I was like, we're going to just make this work.
Falling stars, but still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part.
Now my main bath is all clean and fresh and ready, of course, to be used again.
I know I'm floating on this dream, but soon comes morning. For now, all
And here is my half bath, which is also clean and refreshed and ready to be used, which I'm sure is going to happen in the next 5 minutes or so. All right, you guys, so I didn't get a chance to finish everything that I wanted to, but for the most part, I did at least get 2 bathrooms clean, and I started a load of laundry, so that's a win-win for me. Again, I thank all those ladies that participated in today's challenge. Be sure to check out the playlist in the description box below. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.